Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Brooke, and if you like what you're seeing, make sure to subscribe because that helps me out so much, and give this video a big like. And yeah, so what I want to talk about today is my favorite skincare products for myself, and I have eczema pretty severely. I don't know why I said pretty severely. I have severe eczema for sure. With that, obviously, I have very sensitive skin, very red skin, like all the time. I don't know if you can see. Today's the first day classes started, and not the first day, not when this goes up, but right now when I'm filming, classes started today for college this semester, and I was like, ooh, I'm gonna look so good. I'm gonna get up in the morning and film like a get ready with me, and my face was so flared, so I can just feel under my makeup that this is just like burning and welting on my neck and like my face and whatever. We're getting through it. I have tons of oil on my face right now, as you can probably see. But yeah, so I have made plenty of these videos in the past. Obviously, as I go on through my life and try new products, I like new products and I move forward with those products. But you guys always really seem to like these videos, so I thought I'd keep making them. So yeah, I'll just start. A lot of these products are lotions or oils. I also include my makeup remover, my skincare routine kind of deal, and some shower essentials for me, because I feel like those are things that are not often talked about in like best lotions and creams for eczema, because it's not included in a lotion or a cream. So I thought I would include them. So this is just like skincare, everything must have for people with eczema, or if you just have dry or really sensitive skin, or like rosacea, other inflammatory skin conditions. So I'm just gonna pick and choose out of my bag, no particular order, and I'll also list the products down below in case I'm talking too fast. I have found that I do that so much. And yeah, so my first thing, very empty. It is just the Eucerin Original Healing Cream. This cream I've used for a long time, and I used to use like Vanicream. Oh god, what are the other ones? Vanicream, Cetaphil, CeraVe, like all those I've used. And I am such a texture person, so I don't like if it, I don't know what it was with those specific ones, but I didn't like them. And I'm gonna say it's because of the way they sat on my skin or the way they absorbed too quickly or something. I could see people not liking Eucerin because it is so thick, but when I tell you, you put this on your face, you wake up, your face is very smooth in the morning because it is so thick. You're applying that thick layer, and then through the night it's seeping in. It is very annoying though if like I don't like to take showers at night, because then I put my lotion on obviously afterwards, and then I get into bed and I'm sticking to everything, and I can feel cat hair, and I turn into this gross like germaphobe who's like, I can feel everything, which is like really annoying and really uncomfortable. So that's why I kind of like to take showers in the morning more often, because I can put this on, let sit, have like a robe on, and then do my makeup and get ready, and then it just doesn't really touch anything. I have my robe on, it's like a silky robe, I'm good to go. So if you don't like the feeling of super thick moisturizers, or like things that feel like they're not gonna sink in for a while, you're probably not gonna like this. I'll say this is my favorite. I just really prefer it over the other lotions I've tried. It's worth a shot. I mean, I think if you get it from Target, you can probably return it if you don't like it. I don't know for sure. I don't know the return policy that well, but try like a little one. Maybe your dermatologist might have like little samples, but I really like this. They make I just keep talking, they make a lotion version, because this is the cream, and it's like in a squirt bottle, and I tried that actually just for like moisturizing more throughout the day so that it wouldn't be super sticky, and I could do it in the morning, at night, and like on my lunch breaks, and I just didn't like it. Was thin, and I felt like I don't know. I think it's just the texture and the thickness of this that I really like. Also, it's fragrance free, which is really good. The next thing is, you guys probably all have aloe vera. So I actually used this today because I woke up and my face was like burning, and so I used this before makeup, and I just wanted to include it and be like, if you have eczema or super red skin and you don't have this, you really should get this, because it's not that expensive. It's a couple of like dollars. You can literally get it anywhere, but it's very cooling, and I think it's just really good for those days or those times where your face or your skin, wherever, is burning and you're just irritated, because like I know when my skin on my face gets really flared, it makes me angry. Like, it literally makes me uncomfortable. I want to punch something because my face is on fire. So this is just a good thing to just cool it down and just chill you out. So if you don't have this, I would recommend getting this. Any kind of aloe vera. If you can find 100% aloe vera, that's dope. This is 100% gel, which is not 100% aloe vera. It still has like other things in it that I don't like, but it's mainly aloe vera. So I forced myself to kind of push this into some kind of order. So those are the majority of my face / body moisturizers. Wait, just kidding, we have more. I do want to include this. I bought this a while ago and then I started using it again. And this is the Nature's Gate. This is for you guys out there who are very natural, like your natural products. So hopefully you didn't leave just yet. And this one, let me read. It's vegan, fragrance-free, paraben-free, non-GMO, soy-free, mineral oil-free, petroleum-free, PEG-free, butylene, glycol-free, and cruelty-free. So has lots of good stuff. It includes oatmeal, jojoba, shea, argan oil, lots of stuff. Lots of stuff. That's good though. There's very few ingredients in here that are not something that I know of, which is probably a good sign. This one's the oatmeal version, and I got this back when I was like on a vegan kick. And so this one would be your way to go if you're like holistic, you want natural products. Mister, stop playing with that. And this works just as good. This is a great body face moisturizer. It's not as thick. It doesn't give me that thick moisturized feeling. This definitely is more of a lotion and it has that thinner, like absorbs really quickly feeling. So if you're into that, I would definitely recommend this because this one I really like, definitely, compared to like CeraVe, Cetaphil, all that stuff. I want to share these little guys. These are just the Pond's. These are the travel sized ones. And I have the Nourishing Moisturizer and the Anti-Wrinkle Cream. Haha, I know I'm 20. But I am getting crow's feet under my eye from my eczema, I'm pretty sure. Just my skin being so dry and my skin being thinner and it just being gross. So I'm angry about it. Anyway, I use this like as my makeup moisturizer. Sometimes my Eucerin, not sometimes, all the time. Eucerin I would not recommend to use right before you apply makeup because it's so thick. It's just your makeup's not gonna sit well. It's gonna be really kind of weird and gross and it's not good. But when you use these sink in pretty well. These are made for your face, which is really good. And they're, I don't think they're not very natural ingredients. I like them though. Okay, I'm going to share with you guys, well first, this is what I've been using to shave with. This is the EOS Shave Cream Sensitive. I would usually not go for like a name brand body cleanser because it just feel like they have a lot of stuff that I don't like. As you can see, the ingredients list is very long. I was using for a long time the Skin Fix body wash, and I was using that and I would shave with it, and that was my favorite thing, and they actually sent that to me for free. And then when I ran out, I went to buy it and it was like $30, and I was like, I can't just like afford that out of nowhere without saving. I just feel like that's a lot to spend on a body wash. And this is more accessible. You can get this at like Target. And it is a lot of ingredients. A lot of them are not too bad. There's like, let's see, oatmeal, petroleum, shea, butter, cocoa butter, cucumber, oat, not cucumber oat, but cucumber, comma, oat, lavender, and there's no fragrance, which is really nice. It says it's paraben free, which is cool, but it hasn't made me break out. I do break out just from like showering, which sucks, but this one hasn't irritated my skin more than necessary. So I definitely approve of this, and this is what I'll probably buy again. As you can see, I've used a lot of it. And finally, for my makeup removal process, I use this Garnier Micellar cleansing water as my makeup remover. And this one is really good. This takes off waterproof makeup, and it says all skin types, even sensitive, and that's totally true. And this says it has no oils, alcohol, or fragrance, which is great. A lot of makeup removers have alcohol in it, and I don't like that because it makes my skin burn. And it's just so nice, and it's never, a lot of times taking off my makeup can hurt, especially when it's like this, because I did that and you guys realized you guys can't see the eczema underneath, but eczema. And it's just really painful sometimes. So this stuff doesn't make it feel painful at all. It never like burns my skin or anything, and it does a really good job of taking it off so you don't have to rub for too long. So this is really good. You can get this at Target as well, and it's fairly affordable. And they also have little travel size. If you just want to try it, there's like a little travel size you can just try it, see if you like it. That's how I started. Actually, I have a hard time committing to products, so yeah. And then I have this Thayer's Witch Hazel. This is the unscented one because I was using the rose one, the rose petal, which I loved. Found out I'm allergic to roses, so I was like, why am I like this? I'm allergic to everything, and I just find out after I've been using it. But this one's really good. So I just bought this new bottle. But I've been using this for probably a year, and I really like it. I use this after I remove my makeup and I cleanse, and this is just a toner, and it has witch hazel in it, which I think has been shown to help eczema. I'm not 100% sure, but that's what I've heard. So it kind of just takes off a little bit of dead skin. It doesn't exfoliate it in a way of like little gritty exfoliators do, but I do feel like it takes off a little bit of dead skin, and it leaves my face so smooth, and like I feel like so prepared for that moisturizer that I'm about to put on. Okay, and as I was talking about that, I realized I have another makeup remover that I use, and this is by Farmacy. This is called the Green Clean Makeup Melt-away Cleansing Balm, and I got this in my BoxyCharm, and as you can see, I've used a lot. I love this a lot because you put some on your hand on a dry face, you put it on, you rub it in, and then you wash it off, and it really does a good job as well. I think when I have lighter makeup on, I go for this, the Garnier, but when my makeup's more heavy, like today, I have lots of layers and eye products and eyebrows and stuff, I would go for this because I feel like it does a better job of removing that waterproof makeup, and it's very, very moisturizing, and it feels very good. So this one's more expensive, obviously. If you are on a budget, I think the Garnier one is a perfect option for you, but this one's also very, very good, and I like this a lot. So those are my products, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys have any questions, just leave them down below and I'll answer them. So again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.